How to use template in Vyond. First log into Vyond and you will see here templates. Click on it and here you will see many templates. Go down and you will browse by topics. Click on anyone and you will see many templates. If you want storytelling, and click on it. Here all the template showing like storytelling, whiteboard, animation, holidays, sales, and like this more. We are going with storytelling. I'm clicking on this channel, on this template and editing in studio. Here they give us a fully template. We can change everything like a new. We can change the home color, we can change background, like this we can change. If you want to remove the object, any object, then right click and click on delete. We can, here is the audio, we can remove it by clicking right click and delete. Here we can give scene transition. So it will transit like this. Like this transition available, and here more transition available. Click on scene transition, then click here and you will see many transition here. If you want to change this scene to another, then click here on scene, then go to any of your scene, and here we have to hide white animation and hide contemporary because we want business friendly. If we click here, then it will fully reflect to our template, new template. Every object we can change here, like size, position, color, and many more. If you want to delete scene fully, then right click on it and delete. And if we want to add a new scene between this scene, then click here and add blank scene. Here we can add any another scene. We can add a camera angle by click on add camera and camera movement. So camera movement start from here and end at here. Let's preview it how it's look like this. And scene setting, duration and more. If we want to add any object or character, let's put one more character here, and let's add this, and let's set this character as listening, give action and set as listen. Like this. If we want any object, go here, and if we search home, all the home object will come here. Like this. If you want to change this character, then click here on replaced and choose the new character. Click on save. Here is the setting of video you can set.